exponents and powers to express the expression in the standard form. Standard form means we have to express in the exponential notation. How we can express the large numbers or the small number in the standard form is that we have to express in the exponential notation. Now let us see some examples. I have told you that we can write, suppose this number 1000 is there. 1000 we can write as 10 to the power 3. Now understand the same thing. 1000 can be written as 1000.0 in the decimal notation. When we express in the decimal notation, then this means that all the whole numbers and the natural numbers, they can be expressed in terms of the decimal notation by putting a point or a decimal after the number. Now this number, you can see that when the decimal point is on the right side of a number, we are expressing in the positive power. Now again see this number 1 upon 1000. Now this 1 upon 1000, we are expressing this as 1 upon 10 to the power 3, which in turn is 10 to the power minus 3 by the laws of exponents. By the laws of exponent, this is 10 to the power minus 3. Now again see 3.02. Suppose this number 3.02 is there. Now 3.02, this means that when we express this number in the fraction form, then this is 302 upon 100, or is 302 upon 10 square, or is 302 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now what we see that this number 3.02 is also expressed as 302.0 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now see clearly that the same number is 3.02. This 3.02 is written as 302.0 into 10 to the power minus 2. That is, when this decimal point shifts towards the right, the power is negative. Now again see this example, that suppose the example is 4,390. Now see this example, 4,390, if we write this as 4,390.0. Now the same number, it can be written in the form as 4.390 into 10 to the power 3. Now just see that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The decimal point is shifted towards the left and is written in the form of positive power, so that when it is multiplied, we get this number. So when the power is positive, the decimal point we are shifting from right to left, while in the negative power, we are shifting the decimal point from left to right. Or the simple way is that you can express the number in the fractional form, and then you can express in the decimal exponential notation. Now I will be explaining you with some more examples. Let us take the example 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now this number is in the standard form. When we have to express this in the usual form, then you can just see that 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 means 3 upon 10 to the power plus 8. We are making this power as positive, or is 3 upon 10 to the power 8. Now when this number is in the denominator, then the decimal point shift towards the left side. The same number is written as 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 8, and now the decimal point will be shifted towards the left. How many digits? 8 digits. So we can write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this 3. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 means the decimal point which was after this 3 is now shifted towards the left when the power is negative. So this is the usual form, and this is the standard form. Now take another example. 4.5 into 10 to the power 4. 4.5 into 10 to the power 4. Now the positive power is there, and in the positive power the decimal point shifts from left to right. That is, we will write this as 4, 5. Now the decimal point is shifting 1 digit, 2, 3 and this 4. So it is written like this, 45,000. This is the usual form and this one is the standard form. Now take another example. When we have to express in the standard notation and the usual form is given. Suppose this number point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 are there. 837 is number. We will express this as 8.37 into 10 to the power. Now just see how many digits. The decimal point from this place has shifted towards this place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. So it is minus of 8. 8.37 into 10 to the power minus of 8. This is the standard form. Now take another example. When the number is 3186 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we have to express this in the decimal form. The same number can be written as 0.0, and now this decimal point will be shifted towards the left side, and we will write it as 3.186 into 10 to the power. Now the positive power will be there. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be 10 to the power 10. So that is how you can express the numbers, the small numbers and the large numbers in the standard form and in the usual form. Thanks.